Hey everyone! If you're in China and you're trying to use Discord, but it's not working, you might be dealing with a Discord ban or a complete block. Whether it's a country-level restriction, a server-specific ban, or even an IP ban, this video will show you exactly how to bypass that ban and get back on Discord quickly, easily, and safely. You can click the link in the description to get NordVPN, the only VPN I personally recommend that still works reliably in China. Let's first figure out what kind of ban or block you're dealing with. Countrywide ban. Discord is completely blocked in China by the Great Firewall. You can't even load the app or website. Server level ban. You were banned from a specific Discord server. IP ban. Your IP address was blocked due to a violation or automated ban. The good news? Using a VPN can help bypass all of these, especially in China, where most bans are at the countrywide level. Discord detects your location through your IP address. In China, your internet is filtered and restricted by the Great Firewall, so apps like Discord are completely blocked. To bypass this, you need a VPN, virtual private network. It hides your internet traffic and makes it look like you're in a different country. But here's the thing. Most VPNs don't work in China. That's why I recommend NordVPN, because it has obfuscated servers that bypass the Great Firewall. It offers fast and stable connections, great for voice and video. It has a strict no-logs policy for your privacy. It works on PC, Mac, iOS, Android, even routers. Avoid free VPNs. They're slow, unreliable, and often sell your data. Let me show you exactly how to set this up. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description to sign up. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. NordVPN is not free, but there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Step 3. Important. Download NordVPN before arriving in China, because VPN websites are blocked inside the country. Step 4. Install and open the NordVPN app. Step 5. Go to Settings, Auto Connect, enable obfuscated servers. Step 6. Connect to a server in the US, UK, Singapore, or Japan. Step 7. Open Discord, and boom, you're back in. This method works whether you're trying to bypass a China-wide block or a ban tied to your IP address. If you're banned from a specific server, not the whole app, try this. Create a new Discord account with a different email. Use NordVPN to change your IP address. Avoid using the same username or profile picture. If it's a misunderstanding, you can also contact the server mods to appeal your ban. Changing your IP with a VPN is key here. Most bans are IP-based. And that's how you bypass a Discord ban in China, whether it's a full block, IP ban, or server restriction. Get NordVPN using the link in the description to try it risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.